It's meal prep day again. Today I'm gonna prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack / dessert and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. For breakfast, I'm making apple pie pancake bowls, and for lunch, noodle soup chars, healthy brownies for snack, and for dinner, chicken-lentil curry. And as always, let's start with the breakfast. To make the pancake bowls, I start by adding all the wet ingredients into a big bowl. Eggs, high-protein Greek yogurt. The yogurt I use contains 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. Then I add some applesauce and maple syrup for sweetness and vanilla extract. Next, I add the dry ingredients. I'm using all-purpose gluten-free flour mix, but no need to use gluten-free flour if you aren't celiac, intolerant to gluten, or IBS sufferer. You could also use oat flour, for example. Then I add lots of cinnamon for that fall flavor and baking powder to make the pancakes fluffy. I pour the batter into greased glass containers. You could also use ramekins. I add half a diced apple per container and push them lightly into the batter. Lastly, I sprinkle cinnamon on top. I bake them at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. I prepped 4 servings of these, but I only have 3 of the matching containers, so that's why I didn't show the 4th one in the clips. And here are the ready pancake bowls. They are so fluffy and taste just like apple pie. A fun breakfast idea for fall. Now that the weather is getting colder, it's time to start making soups again. In the winter, you guys really liked my noodle soup jars, so I'm making a new version of them. First, I add the ingredients for a homemade broth concentrate to the bottom: soy sauce, chili-infused olive oil, sesame oil, vegetable bouillon, and chili flakes. Then I add cooked tofu, but you could also use chicken, for example. Next, I add broccoli heads that I cut into very thin pieces so that they will cook quickly. Then I add a handful of mushrooms, some chopped bell peppers, and rice noodles, but you could use any noodles that cook quickly. Lastly, I add a handful of sugar snap peas into each jar. I store these in the fridge. I take a jar to room temperature about 10 minutes before adding the hot water so that the glass won't break. I boil the water and pour it into the jar. Then I stir all the ingredients together and let the jar sit for about 5 minutes until the noodles are cooked. Such a fun and easy meal. For snacks / dessert, I'm prepping healthy protein brownies. I add all the ingredients into a blender: bananas, eggs, olive oil, but you could also use coconut oil or melted butter, almond flour, unsweetened cacao powder, 2 scoops of vegan chocolate protein powder, baking powder, vanilla extract, and lastly a pinch of salt. I pour the batter into a baking dish lined with parchment paper and spread it evenly. I sprinkle 3 pieces of 80% dark chocolate that I cut into chunks on top, but that's totally optional. I bake the brownies at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. I let them cool down and cut into pieces. These brownies are very moist, soft, chocolatey, and delicious. For dinner, I'm making chicken-lentil curry. First, I make a marinade for the chicken. I mix together Greek yogurt, juice of 2 limes, curry powder, olive oil, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. I let the chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. Then I cook the chicken on a non-stick pan for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the chicken is almost cooked, I add 3 diced bell peppers and 1 can of red lentils and stir. Then I add some low-fat cooking cream, but you could also use light coconut milk. I let it simmer for about 10 minutes. I serve the curry with rice. Such an easy and tasty meal. Those were all the meals I meal prepped this week, and as always, the written recipes are in the description box. Let me know in the comments what kind of meal prep recipes you want to see next week. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!